everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Medicare Secrets, where we uncover the, what do I always say? The mysteries and the mayhem of Medicare. Okay, so I've been in this industry a pretty long time, long enough to understand that there are a lot of secrets to Medicare, and that's why I made my channel. Today's topic I want to cover is how to enroll in Medicare Part B. Now, the easiest way to do it, if you like to go online, and if you're watching this video right now, I would say you like to go online, or you can go online. It's not such a big challenge for you. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to, and this is how you enroll in Medicare, whether it's that you're turning 65 or possibly you're retiring. And when I say enroll in Medicare, what I mean by that is enroll in Medicare B. B like boy. That's the part of Medicare that they charge for. Your Part A is the hospital side. You automatically get it when you turn 65 if you've worked at least 10 years in the United States. The Part B, as in boy, you pay a premium. This year's monthly premium for most Americans who are starting or who are on Medicare is $170.10 a year. So this is how you enroll in the Part B of Medicare. And in order to have a Medicare Advantage plan, or in order to have a Medicare Supplement plan, also known as Medigap, you must have both A and B. So here we go. Let's go right to the Social Security Administration website, the actual website for ssa.gov. So on this website, as you can see, it is the official website for Social Security. So this is the official website. It's ssa.gov, and you're going to create an account. That's the very first thing that you will have to do, is create your account. And the best way to do that is to go to this lower left and go to, if you don't already have, create an account. Click on create an account. You have two options here. You have a sign in with login.gov, or you have a sign in with ID Me. I've helped a lot of seniors with these. I can't tell you which of these two is better. What's interesting is how each person is different in the system for our government. So you just sort of have to take your chances and pick the one. I usually go with the second one, sign in with ID Me. It seems to work a little better, or so I think. So I'm going to be leaving the Social Security's website. I'm going to click OK. ID Me is not a government entity, but it is they're federally certified to provide security, digital identity, and verification to government agencies. Okay, so here we're going to say OK. Now we are going to create an ID Me account. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to put in your email. I'm just going to put my business email just for purpose of showing you. So it's Holly at preferredmedicareplans.com. You can always email me, by the way. And then just create, I'm just going to create any random password. The password has to have a lowercase letter, a number, an uppercase letter, and at least 8 characters. And then you click the I accept. And then go in and create your account. Okay, so they just sent an email to me. And I don't want to go through this because I've already signed up for my Social Security account. But basically, you're then going to go to your email and you will retrieve it and you will confirm it. And then you'll follow through the whole steps on how to enroll in Medicare B. But you get to it through Social Security Administration's website. So you're just going to want to go to ssa.gov and sign up for your account. There may be some extra steps where they have to mail you something in the regular mail. So if you're ready for Medicare, you're about to retire, or you're turning 65, give yourself at least, they tell you 3 months, but I tell people start as early as 6 months. to start the process, create a ssa.gov account. It will save you a lot of time and a lot of hassle. The other way that you can enroll in your Medicare B is to call Medicare at 1-800-772-1213. And I'm going to put both those links below. If you call in to Social Security, then they will schedule an appointment for you for a future date, and then you can go over everything with them. You can go over your Social Security benefits. You can go over enrollment in Part B of Medicare. Remember, Part A is automatic. You automatically get it on the first day of the month that you turn 65 if you've worked at least 10 years in the US. You don't have to call it Social Security if you're continuing to work and you're staying on work coverage. But a lot of people, and by the way, please do not take your Part B if that is your situation. If you are continuing to work and you're turning 65 and you think there's some sort of penalty that may happen to you, but you're still working and you're covered under your group health insurance at work, you are allowed to delay your Part B. And then let's say in 66 and a half, when your full retirement age is, that's when you want to retire. So 6 months prior to that 66 and a half year time for yourself, you want to start this process. Create this ssa.gov account and go ahead and enroll in Part B of Medicare by one of the two ways, either online or calling into Social Security, creating and setting up an appointment. There is one other way, but COVID sort of knocked it out of the park. It's going into your local Social Security office. There are still some that are available by appointment. Just call ahead. Okay, make an appointment. Don't just go in thinking they're going to be open, because there are so many that are still not open, even in metropolitan areas in the US. So anyway, if you like this video, please do me a favor and hit the like button. And by all means, subscribe to my channel. I am trying to provide as much content as possible leading up to our current AEP, annual enrollment period, which begins October 15th and runs till December 7th. So there's lots of information that always comes out around now, and I'm trying to post as often as I can, work really hard for you guys. This is just a very quick video on how to get the ball rolling to get yourself onto Medicare. Watch out for other videos coming out, and you all have a really, really great day, and don't forget to subscribe.